Hello again and welcome to the Lovespoon Workshop. Today Yoly is going to give us a masterclass in how she presents the love spoons for sending, more so how she presents the love spoon for when people actually come in the workshop. Unfortunately, because of the circumstance at the moment, we haven't actually got anybody coming in the workshop, so Yoly hasn't actually got any work at the moment, but this is just a few ideas for different ways you can present the love spoon, some different ideas. So take it away. What sort of ideas do you have? What different ways, do you present?
There we are. This is my favorite part.
Right.
Because it's the most I enjoy.
Yeah.
It's finished and put only a little bit more decoration, a little bit the presentation will be more nice for if it's for a present or something like that.
So if you could demonstrate for us
Yes.
if it was a love spoon that was
Yes.
ordered on the internet.
Look, the first I go to do is the Christmas decorations.
Right, so the Christmas tree decorations are these little ones here. So we've got a couple of Christmas tree decorations. So if you're gonna decorate those, what would you do? Show us that.
I both have different colors. I think these ones they are the most appropriate for the Christmas.
Okay.
And the thing I do is only put the ribbon.
Yeah.
I pass the ribbon for here.
Okay.
I need a little help.
Yeah. So you pass that through, so just like so. So the idea with that then is that you can actually hang
In your Christmas tree.
You can hang it on the Christmas tree, yeah?
Yes.
Okie dokie.
And it's only that.
So what do? Do you tie a knot? Do you
Yes.
tie a knot in it?
Yes, the thing I do is put a little knot. And that's it.
There we go, so you can see that's how we presented that then. So we got a knot tied on there. So that's how you can present them if you're going to be hanging them on a Christmas tree. Now, what I'd like to see is, let's say for instance, this is a spoon that we've got on the internet. Let's say somebody's ordered that on the internet. How would you present that without any other things? Just presenting that spoon if that was ordered on the internet. Just a simple presentation.
I would like put a little bit one ball.
One bow on there.
Yes.
Okay,
The
you can
colour
demonstrate
red.
that, but we wouldn't normally do that, would we? The way we would normally present them for the internet. There we are. You've got a box like so, and you've got the two bits of tissue paper there. So we normally wrap them in tissue paper, yeah,
Yes.
and then pack them in the box, just like so. So we would fold that one there. Would you like me to fold the box whilst I'm...
Yes, you can do the box.
Okay.
And I can wrap the...
But if you want to do that ribbon as well, just for everybody to see, so you can demonstrate
Yeah.
how it's done.
Yes.
Okay? so when the workshop was open and Yoly was working, these were the sort of things then that she'd do. You can see a few little hearts. You got the box, the different presentations. You got a button with that one. So those are a few different ideas that we've used over the last
This is
at least 5 years to actually finish our spoons, just to add a little bit more decoration to them. There we are. I've got the box ready.
Okay, I put these spoons for people can see.
Yeah.
And I have all the spoons.
Right. So there we are. So now, if you can present to us, if this was going to be sent, let's say that this was for nice red colour like that, possibly a celebration like a wedding.
Yes.
Or an anniversary.
Yes.
So now, what we're going to do? So you're going to pack it in you're going to fold it in the paper.
I have two colors. I have red and green. Why this color? Because I choose these colors because it's our colors. And red is more love and all these things, but green come very nicely with our red box.
And of course, the reason that our colours are red, white and green is because we make Welsh love spoons, and it ties in. It's the colours on the Welsh flag. It's our national colours here, so it all sort of ties in together. Here we are. So you just tape all of that like so. Now I'm interested now because there's one thing that I can't see, that I can't actually see on your table. Where have you put it?
Wow.
Because we also add a little sticker.
Yes, where it is?
There we go. She's lost her stickers. Right, now I'm going to jump over these benches.
Don't worry, I have
got it?
here.
There we are. So, afterwards, here we go. Just to finish it off. Here we go. She just adds a little sticker.
Yeah, I like put here.
There you go. So that's how we would present. That is how we would present the love spoon. And then that goes in, if I don't drop it, that goes in the box, like so. There we are. And there's a couple of other things that we'd also put, because where's the cards? We'd also put in our cards.
I put all.
Here we go.
Usually I put them.
We would put our cards in, and then
I put always like that and like that.
Here we go. And
this is
when we pack the box, we would then pack it all ready. We'd put one of our leaflets in with it too. There we are. And yeah, so that is how we would basically present our love spoons. So those are just some ideas for how you can actually present your love spoons, and some of the different methods that we've used here over the last 5-10 years. Hopefully then that is useful for anybody who's looking at presenting a love spoon, something like that. Hopefully there's a few ideas in there that might be useful. Those are just some ideas that we do. As always, feel free to put a little comment if you've got any thoughts on what we're doing. If you've enjoyed what we've done as well, don't forget to put a little like. Don't forget to
subscribe.
And we'll be back again soon with more videos.